everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So you can, if you've got the gestures just like me, you have to swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. If you've got the buttons, you will have to tap on the button with probably 3 bars icon or square icon. I do not really remember. So let's enter the recents, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps. So of course if you want to, you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that, so to the right or to the left. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, then I highly recommend to simply tap on this X right in the middle. As you can see, we had the info that there's nothing to clear again, so we can go back and check. And as you can see here, we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.